We both went to high school together, and we both didn't complete, and now we both got the opportunity to do it again. Well, I had got off of work, and I came home and told him about it, and we both agreed, let's do it. Give it a try. When you're growing up, you always think about the things that you can redo in your past, and that was always one of those things that I would redo. And so I actually got the opportunity.
That feel good.
It feels like I feel whole. Yeah, I feel complete. I did something right.
And it opened up a lot of doors because, a lot of jobs, I do them extensive background checks, and they want you to have them diplomas.
Well, my mother is out there, and she's very excited because, of course, she didn't get a chance to see her daughter graduate, and now she gets to see it. That's the biggest part to me. I mean, going through the process, of course, but having the opportunity to walk across the stage, it seals the deal. Just saying that I did it.
Mrs. Tanita. Mr. Tommie.
It's an opportunity that I thought I would never get again. And so to be able to redo my past, it's amazing.